You know lyrics.
Well, how long have you been rapping?
Well, 7 years now, actually.
Now, you already hold the record.
Yeah.
Why do you want to push it a bit further?
Well, to better myself and for the pleasure of my fans out there.
Well, what can we say? We wish you lots and lots of luck. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
OK, go for it.
The minute will be timed from the moment Daddy Freddy gives the signal that he's up to full speed. At the same time, a sound marker will be fed directly to the tape, recording his rap, with another marker at the end of the minute. The syllables will be counted between those 2 points.
OK, Daddy Freddy, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Then in your own time.
All right.
Come with it. All record breakers massive. We love you. Hear this. Hey, mina and one. Daddy Freddy at the microphone stand. Mina and two. Come now. Pina mana. Inima. They want your land of yourself, pass the best, get yourself in order. Every pass land of yourself, pass the best, get yourself in order. Every pass land of yourself, pass the best, get yourself in order. Land of yourself, pass the best, get yourself in order. The about lyrics I make them move and groove, and lyrics I make them rock. Lyrics I make them sing, and lyrics I make them shout. Lyrics they break white and arms and they come out of service and number your bibla. Some of them red by, some of them blue by, some of them purple, some of them black. Some of them are living up their mansion, some of them are living up their shack. Some of them are eating up their table, some of them are eating up their frank. Yes, man, there for day you for bone jackata. Come no, pina.
I feel worn out. Listen.
Well, that was lovely. I was really excited there. How do you feel about it?
I want to hear the results.
Well, this is the sort of tension time now, isn't it? So just how many syllables were there? And it's all down to Vass in the sound gallery.
Do you want to sit down while we wait for the results?
I'm telling you.
Yeah. Well, so let's have a little tension time from the wee Papa Girl rappers.
Yeah.
Well, check that out, a syllable rhyme. And he only had a minute of time. Well, let's see how well he's done. Record breakers, count his run.
Compared with the last time you did it, how does it compare to you?
Yeah, I think this is a little bit faster, I think.
Some of them blue white, some of them purple, some of them black, some of them are
Got it. How are you feeling now? So look out, here we go.
Wow. Whoa.
Hey, Vass.
Here I am, man.
All right, now, the previous world record, he looks excited, is 3:46.
3:46.
So what have you got here?
I have got here 507.